Namaste, I am from India. Always I say Namaste. Today in this video, I am going to tell you what is called the laptop port, different kind of socket, and what is called this and what is called this. Lot of thing on the laptop. If you do not know anything, please watch full video. You will come to know lot of thing about the laptop. I have been working as a computer hardware engineer from 16 years. I have a lot of knowledge of the laptop. I think I want to tell you all the knowledge to you. And if you come first time my YouTube channel, please hit the red button, subscribe it, and please press the bell icon. When I make a video, you will get the notification. Let's start. See, I have a Dell brand laptop. You will find different brand laptop in the market. Like HP brand, you will get it. You will find the Dell brand, Acer, Lenovo, different type of brand you will get in the market. See, I have a Dell brand laptop. It is a portable laptop. It has an inbuilt battery. I have not connected this laptop with any cable, but still this laptop is working because it has a lithium battery. Not lithium battery, is a cell battery it has, because new laptop come with a lithium battery. This is cell battery. Okay, I tell you, the main important part of the laptop is called CPU. What CPU is there in that? There are two companies in the world that make a CPU. One is a Intel company and second is a AMD company. Many people love to buy Intel company. I also love to buy the Intel company. In the Intel company, that is a big company, the American based company that make a brain of the laptop. That is called the CPU. That is called Central Processing Unit. That is very important. In the Intel base, you will find nowadays different kind of a CPU. One CPU is called Core i3. One you will find Core i5, one you will find Core i7 and Core i9. Starting range is that Core i3 you can buy for the laptop. You want to use for the home use, for the office use, you can go for the Core i3. In the Core i CPU you will get the different kind of generation. Core i3 first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth, it like to 12 generation. Nowadays you will get in the market Core i3 12 generation. Understood? That is called. Second, the important thing is that RAM. How many GB RAM are there in the laptop? Sometime you will get the 1 GB. Nowadays you will not get the 1 GB. At least you will get the 2 GB RAM in the laptop nowadays. 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB. Like way you will get the RAM in the laptop. It has a 4 GB RAM. More RAM you have in your laptop, you will get the more speed in your laptop. Understood? That is the thing. Third thing, I talk about the motherboard. Motherboard, why is called? Because this is a all the part in the laptop inside connected with the motherboard. That is called the motherboard. Understood? And fourth, I am going to tell you about that hard disk. Hard disk you can say, or you can say the storage device where you save a data like photo, video, document you save in the computer, laptop, that is saved in the storage device. Nowadays you will not find more of the hard disk in the laptop, in the computer. Nowadays laptop and computer coming with the SSD. SSD full form is solid state drive. Understood? The data need to be stored in the laptop. For that you need to have a SSD in the laptop. Okay, SSD is better than the hard disk. If you are going to buy the laptop, never buy the laptop with the HDD. Always buy the laptop with the SSD to get a better speed. Understood? And in the laptop you will get the inbuilt web camera. When you want to do the online chatting, video calling, with this with the help of this you can do the online chatting and online video calling. And now inbuilt keyboard is there. Okay, so you can see keyboard is there, and you will see one touchpad is there. With the help of your finger you can move the cursor over there. This is called the touchpad. Understood? This is touchpad. And now the very important part is that screen size. Suppose you buy the laptop with the small screen, that is called the 13-inch size in screen size. Sometimes you will find the laptop with the 14-inch. Sometimes you will get the laptop with the 15-inch. This laptop, it has a 15-inch screen size. Understood? This is the better. And now I talk about the battery. What battery you have? If you go to buy the new laptop, and nowadays new laptop come with a lithium battery. Now this is the old laptop. This is a cell battery. This battery I can easily remove at my home site, but the lithium battery, that is internal. For that I have take the laptop to the expert. Otherwise I have to work hard too much to remove the lithium battery from the laptop. Is that clear to you? This is a basic I was telling you. And now I tell you what is the operating system. Suppose I am a man, this is a machine, I want to talk with this machine. How can I talk? need some mediator in that. The operating system is a mediator. With the help of operating system, we talk with this machine. Suppose you will find different of a company that make a operating system like Windows. Microsoft is there that make a operating system in the name of Windows. You will find the laptop operating system that is Windows 7 you will find in the market, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 nowadays. But I'm comfortable with the Windows 10. I'm using a Windows 10 in the laptop. Otherwise, if you buy the Apple product, in that you will find the Macintosh operating system, that different operating system that is made by the Apple company. Now this is made by the Microsoft. The Windows is there. Understood? This is the operating system. You will, someone ask you what is operating system, you say that is a mediator between the man and the machine. Talk with each other. Understood that thing? Then I talk about the what is the port are there in this laptop. Suppose this is a laptop I have. First I tell you this is the charging port. You see, this is a charging port. With this I charge my laptop. When my battery is low, I put the laptop on charging. I charge my laptop. After the time, you see this is the exhaust fan place is there. The fan come out from inside the laptop. Now you see this is a HDMI port, high definition multimedia interface port. With this you can connect the LCD, you can connect the monitor to get the display from laptop to the screen. This clear to you? And now I tell you this is called the LAN port, local area connection port. Suppose I want to connect with the laptop to the internet through Cat6 cable. For this need to be there in the laptop. This is that 1, 2, 3. This 3 port is called the USB port. USB port, you want to connect the printer, you want to connect the mouse, keyboard, scanner. With this you can connect. All the laptop nowadays you will get the USB port. Now you see this is the stereo pin. If I want to connect extra speaker to my laptop to volume, for the more volume, I can go for this. Understood? I am from India. English is not so good, but I try to do the thing you can understand. Now this side you see again the USB port is there. 4 USB port is there in my laptop, and this is a DVD writer. With this you can insert a DVD here and you can run more of thing. Okay, this is the thing I have, and one is a power button is there. With this I on my laptop. I think this is the information I gave you, and this information will help you lot in this. So now when you're going to buy the laptop new, or you're going to buy the laptop old laptop, always set your mind which processor you are going to buy. AMD you are going to buy, you are going to buy the Intel. Though different type of processor you will find the market, at least you buy the I recommend, if you go with my recommendation, go with the Intel CPU. Either it is a Core i3, Core i5, Core i7. At least you go with the 4 GB RAM, and you can go for the 8 GB also, and go with the SSD. You will get the better speed after buying the laptop. Otherwise you buy the laptop with the hard disk, you will not get the speed. This is information I gave you, and based on the experience I have worked as a computer hardware engineer. I think if you like this video, please comment it and share it. Lot of the people in this world do not know about this. With this video will help them. Again I say namaste to you. I am from India. Please love my video.